Guys, in this video we're going to be discussing PointPay, guys. PXP, as you guys can see right here, it is still not listed on CoinMarketCap because it still hasn't been launched. And as you guys can see right here, this is one of the biggest ICO in 2021, guys. They have raised over $60 million, approximately between $55 to $60 million. And look at these ratings. Of course, the website looks a little bit off right now, but they are working on a very solid update. Make sure you join a Telegram group. And as you guys can see right here on the top, PXP token final sale June 30th, 2 days from now, guys. 1 day, 23 hours. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm gonna be talking about this for just a little bit, and then towards the end I'm gonna be essentially doing a Bitcoin update. So let's have a look. First of all, guys, PXP PointPay. We have 6,000 people on the watch list, guys. That is a lot of people on the watch list. It's not nothing for a coin that still hasn't been launched. This is the contract address for you guys who want to know more about it. For you guys who want to read the white paper right here, and it takes you straight to the website, which they're essentially upgrading it. So as you guys can see right here, if you buy the token, you will get some bonuses. If you buy over 50,000, you will get 7%, 30,000 token 4%, and so on. Okay, you guys know the process or the meaning of it. Anyways, let's have a look at their wallet real quick. This is their wallet on their Android. Of course, as you guys can see, I don't have Android. I'm currently on a Mac, but they do have 2,834 ratings as well as over 100,000 downloads. They have over 100,000 downloads. This is how the app looks right here. They're gonna have a credit card coming up. Of course, as you guys know, for you guys who are into PointPay, they're gonna have a credit card coming out. Beautiful looking app. You could earn up to 6.2% APR on Bitcoin. The great and a beautiful thing about it is you don't have to stake it. There is no lock staking, guys. You could even lock Tether gold, guys. This thing is backed by gold. Now USDT is not the greatest thing, as we know, but it's still amazing that you don't have to lock it, guys. These are all flexible. These are all amazing. PointPay, the first blockchain bank. Now let's have a look maybe at essentially the Apple app. It's essentially the same thing, nothing too crazy. This is the Apple PointPay app. We got 299 ratings, 4.8 stars, as you guys can see. Amazing. If you guys want to buy, very simple. All you have to do is essentially transfer. You download the app. I have a link in the description, by the way, guys, for you guys who wanna click on that and sign up. Very easy. Now the next thing is you'll essentially download the app. Once you download the app, you're gonna transfer. I prefer to transfer Litecoin, Tron, or XRP Ripple. It's up to you for better fees. If you transfer USDT or Ethereum or Bitcoin, the fees will eat you. So I prefer. It's preferably not. It's essentially better not to do it. Sorry. Going back right here. So guys, very crazy coin in my opinion, or not crazy, but in my opinion, it's gonna be a big coin. We got upcoming futures right here. We got fast bank to bank fiat features. Transfer, sorry. So you're gonna actually be able to transfer your token or your money via bank to bank. Okay, now we do have customer to customer fiat transfers as well. Banking licenses in Wyoming is going to be big, so the banking license in America is going to be something very big in my opinion. Banking license, look, they're expanding right here, and as you guys can see right here, these are all the interest rate that they are paying. They just added Chainlink. Actually, there wasn't Chainlink before, and the fact that you could earn from Chainlink a 5.1% APR is pretty big. USDC, for you guys who are not comfortable with Tether, USDT, they have the USDC. Now that's actually very interesting because USDC is the more regulated one. So it's actually good that they did that for people who aren't they're having doubt on USDC. Now they are missing one right here actually, and it hasn't been updated. It is Binance Coin, guys. They have added Binance Coin BNB token to the platform, so it's going to be very big. Or to the platform, they've added BNB token. You could earn up to 7.1% APY on it, so it's going to be pretty big having Binance token. Will Binance be listed on it? Maybe not, who knows. But that being said, guys, 2 days, even less. We got a day, 2 days approximately until this gets launched. So let's have a look at Bitcoin real quick, because Bitcoin is the king and I always make updates on Bitcoin. So right here, what do we have right here? Well, a few days ago I did mention that, you know, because we got rejected right here, I did mention that we could make a nice little run to 35,489, and essentially this is exactly what we did. And now that we did that, we could essentially come back down. Guys, we've been in a descending channel right here, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy to see over here, and we've essentially been bouncing up and down between this descending channel. Now it's only a matter of time before we essentially break to the upside or towards the downside. No one knows. I mean, you know, nothing too much to see over here. We could have a look at the shorter time frame real quick. On the 1 hour, it's the time frame that I don't really cover. Let's zoom out real quick. This is the 1 hour time frame, so we are actually making higher lows right here. We got a higher low right now. We started right here, boom, 1, 2, and then 3. So as you guys know, the trend is your friend until it bends, and from what I am seeing, we should come back down. If this was a hit, maybe it wasn't, we should come back down to 33,800, 33,700 before making another bounce up. Of course, you guys can take a long right here, but of course, on the macro, on the daily time frame, we could still come back down to essentially this area, the $30,000 level, because we are in a descending channel. So that being said, I wouldn't, you know, really do anything too crazy yet. Maybe take a long right here if it does come right here. Maybe we could perhaps make another higher low. Let's have a look at the RSI. RSI is one of the biggest ones right here. RSI, nothing too crazy to see over here. But if we do have a look at the 4 hour time frame, no, sorry, it was on the daily time frame, I believe. On the daily time frame, we are seeing a bearish, bullish divergence. So boom, bullish divergence right here. We got a decrease in the charts, an increase in the RSI. So that's pretty bullish to me. We're gonna have to see how things play out right here. Anyways, guys, this is my daily cryptocurrency video. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.